So a while ago, I had these adhesive guys right here up on my wall, and eventually they just kept falling down off the floor. And along with that, they tore my walls a new one. But I recently patched my walls up after being introduced to the simplicity of these wall mounts by Floating Grip. Let's talk about it.
You've got to start with the customer experience and work backwards to the technology.
Hi, welcome to ColorMeTech.com. I'm C.M. Williams, and look at my PS5 float. Like, that's cool. I have 3 different controller types up here just to show you that these actually all came out the same box. The picture on the box actually didn't really dictate which remote it could be used on. But yeah, these are all from the PS4, officially the PS4 like mounts. But I was able to put my PS5, PS4, and Xbox controllers on there. And I have some third-party ones that might get swapped around onto the wall too. And if you're concerned about the material, whatever particular type of string this is made of, I've trusted it to hold my PS5 up, and it's been up since. You can feel the durability in the material. And they also include these like rubber guys right here that you can put both on your controller and onto the mounts on your wall. And they're a nice touch. But I know while you're probably here, I'm gonna show you how to install these onto your wall and then show you how to actually use them to hold your controller up and your console up. With me, I'll be using the PS5 as an example. Once again, we're breaking out the sleek HOTO toolkit, namely the drill for today. Link in description. Let's start. So right here, I'm using a laser to align where my other controller go and put a dot. These do come with the anchor and a screw. I'm just gonna use the screw. I have some thick boy walls installed. If you need to use the anchor, then you can use a 3/16 drill bit to make your hole. Now we're gonna put more holes in the wall, but this time they'll be much easier to manage. I'm just gonna drill it right into the wall where our dot is, and it's as easy as that. And they usually just sit there if there's no control on them, but we're gonna take it off, and I'm gonna show you how to put this on. Don't overthink it. Put it around the controller handles. Take the string that's in the front of your controller and just loop it around the back. I'll show you again. You just take the front string and you swoop it around the back to make your hook. And that's the part we're gonna use to hang the controller onto our anchor that we screwed into the wall. And I like these too because you can't really make them crooked. You can adjust them however. This is how the grip mount looks after you just take the control out. And you can see right there and the 2 loops where the handles go. And one piece of solid advice is you can use your phone's measure app, measuring tape, yardstick, whatever, to make sure that if you're installing multiple controllers like me, make sure they're all aligned and distanced the same so that you have an aesthetically pleasing controller setup. And I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to put up my cool Luminosity LED controller light to go with my controller display here. Link in bio, check them out. And here's everything that came in the PS5 mount box. And this really cool LED back glow came in the box. That's gonna be a real nice touch after mounting the PS5. The directions actually aren't complicated. It shows you right here on the back where your 3 main screws go. And it comes with this sheet of paper to make sure they're in line. So basically foolproof. The instructions on the back of it, they're clear enough. No words, but the pictures do show you in great detail what to do. And so yeah, I'm just gonna pick up one of the screws here and just indent holes in this paper where the dots are so that I know exactly what to drill to have my PS5 mounted properly. Let's go. And here's the main white anchor piece that goes in the middle. A little thicker, I guess, to hold more weight. Oh, but yeah, you put them on here as such. Easy enough. Let those dangle. And you can add your rubber piece here if you don't want like that hard part up against your PS5. And I'm just gonna take this moment to put on my LED black back glow. Doesn't really have to be neat. No one's gonna see it. And now we're gonna install our PS5 onto the wall. I am gonna get a better angle of this for y'all, but it isn't very complicated. After all is said and done, it feels secure. I don't think it's going anywhere. Unless you really screwed up your drilling, it should not fall off of your wall. So you guys check out floatinggrip.com, run by a very nice woman named Stephanie Skull. And they have on the website mounts for your Switch, your Apple TVs, NVIDIA Shields, Android devices. Check them out. They might have the mount you need. In the next video, I'll be reviewing this cool glowing cube I'll show you that I'm sitting on. It's like a glowing ottoman. Yeah. So we'll be talking about that next video. So in case you forget, just go ahead and subscribe and it'll just pop right up on your YouTube timeline whenever I upload it. Until next time, peace.